the internet was not a kind place to Liam Payne. He was constantly an ongoing joke. He was a running meme. And it does, again, we don't know the exact details of this case and his death, but what I will say is the treatment that he got over the past week really makes me concerned that we've learned nothing from the case of Caroline Flack. It's tough. It's very tough. And coming from someone like myself who, sorry, now I'm going to get a bit emotional, but is such a huge fan. He was such an important part in the formative years of so many young women. One Direction first came about when I was 11 and broke up when I was probably about 16. So they're really important years for any young woman as she's coming into herself, as she's discovering who she is. These boys were huge. They were everything to us. And he was always seen as the daddy of the group when he was in it. So he was always seen as the one who kept the group in line, who kept them in control. And it's just, it's heartbreaking. There really is no other word. It's absolutely devastating to see the news coming out this morning. He was such an important figure for so many people.